Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to log into Golf Clash with phone. To sign into your Golf Clash account with phone number, first of all, launch open the Golf Clash application on your device, and once you get to this page, tap the sign in button. Click on the More tab on the next page and tap on Recover with phone. Now choose your country or your region at the top and enter a mobile phone number. After typing down the mobile phone number, click on Send SMS. You will then receive an SMS on your mobile number, which you'll need to type it down, and you have successfully signed into Golf Clash with phone number. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.